Want early access to new tutorials? Be sure to hit the join button on my channel to become a member and gain perks such as early access to new videos and one-on-one support on my Discord. Hey guys, it's Alpha, and in today's FiveM scripting tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to add custom map add-ons into your FiveM server. Specifically, we're going to be doing YMAPs today. YMAPs are a format of map add-on used in FiveM. There are other formats such as MLOs, but in my opinion, YMAPs are the most simple, and I'd recommend sticking with them if you're new to FiveM developing. So what you want to do first of all is obviously find a map add-on that you want to use. So I've used GTA 5 mods. We used this website in the last tutorial where we did vehicle add-ons, but you can also find map add-ons on here, so it's quite good. As you can see, I've got a YMAP, and we're using a biker bar, which is located in Sandy Shores. I've already tested this one out, so I know it works. But what you want to do, if you're not going to use the same one as me, I will include the link to this one, so you can use this one if you're just trying it out, because then you know that this one works. There are some that won't work, and it's hard to tell if it's user error or if it's because of, like, you know, the map add-on not working in FiveM. But if you find one that has, you know, good features, and then it also shows the location of it, that's quite good, because, you know, it's probably going to be better quality, and also you know where it is on the map so you can find it. So what you want to do is download it, like so, and once that's downloaded you want to go to your server directory, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new directory. I've already made it here. I'm just going to delete that so I can walk you through it. So we're going to make a folder. I'm going to call it map add-ons, like so, and then here we're going to make the actual folder for the resource. So this resource we're going to call biker-bar, because, you know, it's a biker bar. And in here we're going to need the usual, what we always need for a resource, and fxmanifest.lua. And then we're also going to need a folder called stream. Now, what we're going to do inside the stream folder is we're going to get the zip file, which we just downloaded, and we're going to put it inside of the stream folder. And then we're going to unzip the files out of the zipped file. We don't need the README because we know what we're doing, so we can get rid of that. And we don't need the zipped file anymore. This one just comes with one YMAP file. Some will come with multiple YMAP files. It might come with multiple files that aren't all YMAPs, but they all go in the stream folder no matter how many files there are. And then what you want to do is go into the fxmanifest.lua, and then we're going to code what we're going to need to do. So fx version, as always, for every resource you're going to need one of these. Game, GTA 5. We could do author, Alpha, description, a biker bar located in Sandy Shores, and version 0.0. And what else we're going to need to make it into a map add-on file is do this _is_a_map, and then in quotation marks yes, and then that line's just making it into an actual map add-on. You don't need to like a vehicle add-on, you don't need to actually define what this file is. You can just do this as a map, and then it will know that anything in the stream folder is the map add-on. So we can close that once we've done that, and we can actually back out and go to our server.cfg, and I've already done it, but what you can do is add in the line to actually start the resource. So I've done it in short biker bar. Obviously you got to make sure this is the same name as the folder, so I've done it biker-bar with no caps. I've also done some sorting. You can do this with yours as well. Just do some like comments using a hashtag to sort your resources into sections. It's just a good practice to do, because when you get more resources it's good to have them sorted. But once you've got it into your server.cfg, you can actually close that out, and then you can start up your server. As we can see here, it says started resource biker bar, so I know that mine started up just fine. But obviously if you've got any other things, like such as couldn't find resource biker bar, that means that the name in the server.cfg and the name of the folder don't match, or it's because you haven't got the correct fxmanifest.lua. So if you've got any issues, just troubleshoot that. But obviously we've got no issues, so ours is ready to join, and we're going to load up FiveM and actually test it out. to join localhost. Okay, so now that we're in the server, we're going to need to go to the location. So as I checked before on the actual map add-on, it showed me where the location is, which is just here. So I'm going to quickly get a vehicle out and fly over there, and then I'll get back to you once I am there. I'm actually so scared. Okay, so we've just arrived to the location of the map add-on. As you can see, this is the biker bar that I've added in. Obviously, depending on what map add-on you do, it will be different, but this is the one that I've used, and if you're using the same one as me, this is where it is, in Sandy Shores, opposite the Ace Liquor. Obviously, it's not the highest quality, it's using like props to make the building, but obviously if you get a more high quality one, it won't be as janky looking. So as you can see, you know, it's got all the features of a biker bar. I'm not doing a full tour of it because obviously it's not a review of this map add-on, it's just showing you how to add them. But obviously something to note is, if you're adding lots of different map add-ons, if they're in the same area, they may have conflicting files, and that could cause them to bug out, not work, or even crash your game when you join in and load near them. So you've got to be careful when adding multiple map add-ons. But obviously this one's just on its own in the middle of nowhere, so it shouldn't have any issues. But anyway, that is all for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any other requests, please leave them in the comments, or be sure to join my Discord server, which will be linked in the description, because you can talk to me there. You can also ask for support, because there are many people in there who also can help with FiveM support, and you can also promote any resource you've created, and there's lots of different talk for FiveM in there. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment, share it with your friends, all of that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.